Guess who's back, guys? Welcome to Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and for the next half an hour, it will be about entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica and the Caribbean. Sit back, relax, and take it easy, because Pree Dis starts now. We kick off this week's show with highlights from Bounty Killer's performance for the Behind the Screen series at the Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records. As usual, in performance, turn up. Check out the highlights.
Yo, Tracks and Records are the party boss. Alkaline, all is pissing on your head, you know. You know, man, you are crazy, man. Alkaline, all is pissing on your head, you know. Level.
Haters are free, wanna be like we. Y'all them a cheer for AMG, the girls in love with AMG. Run the song. Haters are free, they wanna be like we. Love 'em.
I mean, it was a great show. I'm tired.
You're tired?
Tired. But, you know, Bounty Killer put on a great performance, and, you know, Beenie Man with that cameo at the end was something worth waiting for. When you say the amount of planning that goes in, it's hard to define. I mean, it's weeks of planning, it's weeks of trying to put everything together. Getting the staff on board, you know, getting the promotions done, and of course tying down the artists. As you know, all these artists, they have hectic schedules, but it's always worth it. You know, we always want to give the fans what they want, and that's what we try to deliver here for the Behind the Screen series.
We're right here at Hope Road, Kingston. While we were at Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records, taking in the awesome performance by Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, we caught up with dancehall veteran Ninja Man. Let's hear what he has to say.
We don't want my son to work, you know, somebody just come out for him support down.
Alright, cool. So what's next for you in terms of music? What we can expect from you for 2015?
Well, listen to me, the people them just expect the unexpected, because Ninja Man is a man like this. Him just attack and do what he do. But the future is bright, and Ninja Man is working, and everything good.
We're right here outside King's House on Hope Road, and guess what? We're coming up to our first commercial break. We'll be right back.